How to change Instagram time zone. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Log into your profile by clicking on bottom right corner. Then click on Edit Profile. In here, click on Contact option. You will find Address option. In here, add your street address, city, town, and then zip code. This is only available if your account is professional account. If you don't have a professional account, you won't find contact option in your Instagram profile. So simply you'll need to make your account professional account. This is how to change Instagram time zone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.